Number 1, network design and bandwidth requirements. SDI is point-to-point, but 2110 is IP-based, requiring high-capacity, low-latency networking infrastructure. We're all familiar with BNC cables, and a single BNC cable can support a 1080p 60 signal in half duplex, whereas in IP, an optical fiber connection can go up to 100 gigabits, which could be up to 75 1080p 60 signals in full duplex. SDI content arrives continuously. It's synchronous, deterministic, and well behaved, and it's really good from going from point A to point B. IP, on the other hand, content arrives in packets, and packets arrive when packets arrive. So this is okay for email, files, etc., but challenging for live TV production. So, what are the fundamental differences between SDI and IP? SDI content arrives continuously. We have traffic flows that are constant. We're all familiar with 1.5 gigabits per second SDI and 3 gig SDI. And if you're working with UHD, that could be 6 gig or 12 gig. So we only need to worry about the quality of the road. And that's going to be the cables, the connectors, and the distance between the sender and the receiver. And typically tools like iPattern and jitter measurement are used to monitor the health of the system and the signals within it. But as we mentioned, IP content arrives in packets, and packets arrive when packets arrive. Now, the great thing with IP networks is that we know the quality of the road is good because we've designed the system for 10 gig, 25 gig, maybe even 100 gig wide. What we now need to worry about is traffic congestion because of the way these packets arrive outside of our control. So if we look at SDI and we have a single pixel that maybe is dropped or we have an issue with, that's going to be virtually impossible to see in a picture. However, the same IP error will result in dropped packets, and that can result in 1/4 of a line of video offset. It can be very obvious. So you're going to see how unforgiving IP infrastructure is when it comes to real-time live video.